How to draw a cute ice cream cone. Drawing a cute ice cream cone is a fun and simple activity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Step 1. Draw the cone. Start by drawing the cone shape. Draw an upside-down triangle with a curved bottom line. This will be the base of your ice cream cone. Step 2. Add the ice cream scoops. Draw 2 or 3 oval shapes on top of the cone to represent the scoops of ice cream. Make them slightly overlapping and varying in size to give a cute and playful look. Step 3. Add details to the ice cream. Draw small curves or lines on top of each ice cream scoop to represent the texture and swirls. You can also add some small circles or sprinkles on top for extra decoration. Step 4. Draw the face. Optional. To make your ice cream cone even cuter, you can add a face. Draw 2 small circles for eyes and a curved line or oval for the mouth. You can also add blush marks on the cheeks with small circles. Step 5. Add details to the cone. Draw some curved lines or zigzags along the sides of the cone to add texture and make it look more like a waffle cone. Step 6. Color your drawing. Once you're happy with your pencil sketch, you can outline your drawing with a black pen or marker. Then, erase any unnecessary pencil lines. Finally, color your ice cream cone with your favorite colors. You can use different shades of brown for the cone and various colors for the ice cream scoops. Step 7. Add shadows and highlights. Optional. For an extra touch, you can add some shadows and highlights to your drawing to make it look more three-dimensional. Shade the bottom of the ice cream scoops and cone to create shadows, and add some highlights on the top parts to make them look shiny. That's it. You've drawn a cute ice cream cone. Have fun experimenting with different colors, faces, and decorations to make your ice cream cone unique and adorable.